Welcome back to Seattle. Summer is a peak tourist season, so many attractions and accommodations may be more crowded. Nevertheless, it's a great time to experience the natural beauty and cultural offerings. Well, today we balance the city life with the great outdoors at Mount Rainier National Park.
Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out.
Well, we are inside the Mount Rainier National Park and heading to our first stop to Paradise, the most popular area in the park, and for a good reason. This is the plan for now. We'll see how it all turn out. And by the way, Mount Rainier National Park is huge. It can take hours of driving to get from one side to another. So better to plan your time in the park. And we were surprisingly welcomed by wild black bear. Oh my god. Wow. I'm speechless. Since the park is a home to a diverse range of wildlife, including black bears, and this is a sight to behold. Hey everyone, it's Rashmi here. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are here at the most iconic place to be visited in Seattle. It's Mount Rainier National Park, so please do join us. The Paradise area is particularly famous for its wildflower displays. Well, heading towards the Skyline Trail. This fir tree has fresh fragrance. If we rub in our palm, it smells sweet evergreen scent. During summer months, these alpine meadows burst into vibrant colors with wildflowers. The Skyline Trail is often hiked as a loop trail, providing different perspective of the mountain and surrounding landscape. The view here is beautiful. Wildflowers, glacier-capped volcanoes, and what else you can ask for. This beautiful trail winds up and down. You can easily imagine yourself as if you were in a fairyland. Since with the time constraint, we are making our way to Martel Falls. The main distinguishing feature of Mount Rainier that has attracted many tourists is the largest straddle volcano in this part of the world, which is visible from anywhere in the park and amazes everyone with its beauty and grandeur. A huge glacier at the top provides fresh water to Washington and Seattle. And that's where we are planning to head. Well, it's home to several beautiful waterfalls, each with its own unique charm and characteristics. The mountain itself is a massive stratovolcano covered in glaciers and snowfield, which contribute to the water source of the area. Martel Falls is a captivating natural attraction with a picturesque view and among lovely waterfalls within the stunning landscape of Mount Rainier. Beyond the viewpoint, there are several hiking trails that lead further into the Paradise area. After a quiet walk, went out to stretch, use the bathroom and get a bite to eat at the visitor center, which has a nice gift shop and a good view window to the paradise. Well, the national park is favorite for all outdoor enthusiasts in the United States and boasts everything you need. The drive within the park itself is mesmerizing. Weather conditions can be highly variable. Summers are the most popular time to visit. On the other hand, winters are harsh and most park facilities are closed. Mount Rainier looks regal, majestic and beautiful. All the things you can see. Coming across the Narada Falls, an impressive viewpoint with a short hike, as there is this short paved trail that leads from the parking area to the viewpoint overlooking. The waterfall cascades over a series of ledges and rocks, creating a stunning and photogenic display known for its serene beauty, especially during calm, windless conditions. Reflection Lake is appropriately named because of its ability to mirror the magnificent image of Mount Rainier on its surface, creating a stunning reflection. Allows you to experience the beauty and tranquility of Mount Rainier National Park. The slopes overhanging the lake covered with a dense coniferous forest. Stein Falls is another beautiful falls near Narada Falls. With that, here we wind up. I hope you guys like watching today's series, so please go ahead, hit the like button and please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you next week with another series. Goodbye.